Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna try to swap out that PBM arm for this stock one, and something cool should be showing up today, hopefully. So yeah, check it out. Right. Yeah, you can see the subframe. It isn't supposed to look like that. So yeah, I guess I am gonna have to end up replacing that. This is bent. Yep. Still one of those things, I'm like, do I put the money and time into fixing all this, or do I just buy a shell? Because I've already seen a couple shells going for like $300, you know, $500. But anyway, oh, I got this. This is the CD009. Got this bad boy. So that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna keep pulling this apart and throwing on that other arm. All right, 1J just arrived. How about to open this thing up? Oh, it's raining. Good old Florida, it's always raining. Let's see. This is a 1JZ out of a, I believe a JZX 110. Oh yeah. A little bit bigger than the SR. There she is. It's just dirty. Alright, yeah. What's going on, guys? So I got the 1J and I'm working on taking off the wiring harness and getting it up on the engine stand. The hardware for the transmission is too short, so I'm gonna have to go get some hardware. So that's why it's not up on the stand yet. But so yeah, I got the 1J. That's awesome. That's, you know, one big piece of the puzzle, and I got the transmission, the CD009 too. The car is so here's what's going on. I gotta talk to you guys. I want you guys' opinion. The lighting is like horrible. I want you guys' opinion on what you think about this. So I'm thinking possibly getting rid of this shell and getting a coupe. I know somebody that's selling a coupe and it's straight and it's a good deal. So I don't know, it's hard. It's a really hard thing to even, for me to even think about. It's really hard because this is like my first 240 and I've always had all these goals to like make this like a full Pro-Am car and all that, but I don't know, the frame's so out of whack. Let me show you. The frame's so out of whack. I can't even get this controller in the subframe, is so bent. This is like way off of where it needs to be, and there's not even enough adjustment in that arm to get it back to where it needs to be. Which I knew that, you know. I know I need to replace those and get the frame pulled, but I can't even get it to roll to be able to get it onto a trailer. And I mean, it's not like it's impossible. Basically, my point is, after doing all that work and buying subframes and, you know, replacing all that stuff, it's gonna be, I'm gonna be in it, you know, more than it would cost to just buy a shell. So yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's one of those things. It's like, buy a straight shell, cage that shell, you know, tube out that shell and start fresh, or spend a lot of time and money on this car, and then I'll be, you know, I'll just be down longer and I won't have a car. So I don't know, it's a hard thing because I don't like scrapping 240s, and I've never wanted to scrap my 240, but I don't know, I doubt I'll find someone that wants to take it off my hands and they'll actually do the work, you know. It'll probably just end up in a junkyard. So I don't know, it's really hard. It's a hard decision. I don't know what to do. So let me know your thoughts. You know, I'd love to hear what you guys think. I've always wanted a coupe, so, and you know, maybe it's a good opportunity, you know, to get a coupe and start fresh. But anyways, so yeah, that's basically what's going on. So 1J's here. I'm raising money to get everything I need to get in the car. Might be getting a new shell, and that's it. That's all I got for you guys. So yeah, pretty much, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.